Selling your car in Missouri? Here's exactly how to sign your title the correct way. This is your Missouri Certificate of Title, issued by the Missouri Department of Revenue. You sign it on the back, in the Assignment of Title section, not the front. Before you start, sign in blue or black ink only, no other colors, no pencil or marker, and don't use whiteout or cross anything out. Mistakes can void the title. Step 1. Fill in the buyer's full name and address on the purchaser lines. Step 2. Enter the sale price. If there's no trade-in, the net price is the same as the sale price. Step 3. Write in the date of sale. Step 4. Enter the vehicle's current mileage in the odometer reading box, whole miles only, no tenths. Only check a box if the reading is over the odometer's mechanical limit or isn't the actual mileage. Step 5. Sign your name on the Signature of All Sellers line. Every owner listed on the front of the title has to sign, and Missouri does not require a notary for this. Step 6. Hand print your name on the line right below, exactly as you signed it. If there's a loan or lien on your title, the lien holder has to release it. That means a notarized lien release, Form 4809, if the lien is shown on the front of your title. The one thing Missouri sellers can't skip: file a notice of sale, Form 5049, with the Department of Revenue within 30 days of the sale. Until you do, the vehicle is still tied to your name, which means you could be on the hook for the buyer's tickets and tolls. You can file it online in a few minutes. And remember, take your license plates with you. In Missouri, plates stay with the seller.